This is the hot holder from ALLPARTS. It replaces those janky third hands that tip over. They scratch parts, they crush the insulation, and they suck out the heat from your soldering iron. The hot holder solves all of those problems. It's made of flexible silicone. It stays rock solid on a bench, and it's stable in any orientation. It can't scratch parts. It won't melt like a plastic vise, and it won't suck out all the heat from your work because it's made of high temperature silicone. My favorite thing about the hot holder is these wire slots. Use them to tin individual wires, or you can do a bunch at a time or grab a multi-pair cable like a microphone cable and solder them all up using both hands. The slots double as circuit board holders for circuit boards. You can stuff your components on this side and then you can solder them on this side. You can also put the circuit board right on top of your hot holder and it won't slide around. You'll protect your mat or your work surface from melting. The voids are engineered for pro audio components such as 1/4-inch jacks, XLR connectors, Strat and Les Paul switches, RCAs, potentiometers, 3.5 millimeter jacks and plugs, potentiometers, switches, all that electrical for audio and lighting. It has a suction base that prevents it from moving around. I can even tilt this up and it will stay put. The best thing about this is that you can just throw it into your toolbox or your gig bag and you don't have to worry about it. It won't damage anything. The hot holder is a game changer. Made in the United States just a few miles from where I'm sitting. Get your hot holder at allparts.com.